So hi everybody. Big question. I've come up with the answer. Data engineering or data analysis, and I think so. I'll be choosing data engineering. And let me explain you why. I have created a very small presentation, 4 to 5 slides. It will take like 5 to 7 minutes of yours. But if you can spend that, you will understand why I'm choosing engineering rather than analysis. So straight toward there. Yeah, so this is about why a career switch to data engineering rather than a data analyst. So this wasn't a question in my mind, data engineering versus data analyst. I would say this is going hand in hand. I want to do both, but that is not possible. So someone suggested me a career with data science. I think so. Data science is also in line with little bit of data engineering as well as data analysis, and it is more about making decisions based on analysis and engineering. So I would like to start as an engineer over here rather than just analyzing the reports or creating them. So this is why. So I'll be presenting this sheet, just go through it, and please let me know if you don't like any point of it or anything that you want to point out. So I'm transitioning into data engineering, a big step. I aim to master the key technologies. My goal is to become proficient data engineer, and the timeline that I'm setting for me is 4 to 6 weeks. I don't have 4 to 6 months, so I'm doing it 4 to 6 weeks because some of this technology I'm pretty handy with. I don't want to waste my time, and also the recession and the layoff and everything is happening, so I don't want to get in that scoop. So I want to be really quick. Let me go to the right side to why data engineering is and why data engineering now. So it is the analytical foundation. If you see any analytics report that has been built up using cloud or I would say on premises data, you will need a data engineer working behind it. You will need someone who is cleaning that data, who is taking care of that data, every ground thing that has been done by an engineer. Now, a robust job outlook is there. The thing I have gone through Naukri.com, I filtered some resumes. Also, have filtered little bit of job vacancies that are around. I have seen 10 out of 9 according to my profile is matching to data engineering rather than data analysis. Second, the job market to the data analysis is pretty much tight. Like everyone who knows SQL and little bit of visualization as a data analyst, but not everybody is data engineer. So that's it. Third thing which I want to highlight is I wanted to go something into the agentic AI, and this data engineering background will give me a strong foundation to land up those type of jobs as well as to do something of my own, thinking of an agentic AI or doing something. It's not like everything has to be about yourself, but anywhere if a tool is there, there is an AI getting built up. There is a data engineer that will work behind it. That also gives me a powerful foundation. Yeah. So yeah, the good thing is attractive salary. A lot of people I've spoke to, everybody is in band between 15 to 30 LPA. So looks pretty good. A good salary for a experienced guy of 3 to 5 years or maybe 5 to 7 years. This is what I've seen. Azure ecosystem, I'll be learning these things. So the first thing I'll be learning is Azure ecosystem because I'm already familiar with it, and I know a little bit of data lakes, Synapse, DevOps, Azure monitoring, Azure Purview, uh, ADF to be precise, Azure Data Factory. So I'll start with Azure. I'll learn everything on Azure. I'll make my Azure ecosystem knowledge very strong. And then I'll move to ADF because ADF is the one that has been used with very good companies for developing their pipelines. This has no code, low code ETL capabilities. I have already worked as an ETL person, so I know that. Databricks is the next one. So in Databricks, there are a lot of development happening now. There is Unity Catalog, if you may have heard of. There is cluster management. There are many things that happen on Databricks. So I'll target with Databricks. There's one more thing I have not added, maybe a little bit of Fabrics knowledge as well when I'll be doing the Azure. but at least Databricks is where I'll be targeting, and the Spark and Apache Spark flows will power my knowledge. Later, these are the core skills, core skills for data engineers. So later I'll be focusing on this three, four main skill. First is SQL that I'm already handy with. Second is Python, I'm already handy with. Spark, I'm already handy with, but I will like to go deeper and deeper and do, ML flows and other things. DBT is one kind of open source build tool which is used for transformation, and a lot of people are using it. As I said, it's a free open source, so I'll be doing that as well. And there is this synergetics tools, like there are many other tools like just like DBT. So I'll be understanding, taking hands on, doing everything. So I'm building one project on my GitHub. I'll be sharing the link as well. So this everything will be included over there as well. This is my 4-week plan. First week I'll focus on foundation, SQL, Python, PySpark, Pandas, NumPy, MLflow, whatever I can go through. Second is Azure certification and EDFs. Third is Spark and Databricks, specific to Spark and Databricks, one entire week. Fourth week, I'll be going to my project. I'll be integrating the data set. I'll be having JSON files, backway files, CSV, everything into one, transforming them, changing them, giving access through utility catalog, trying if there is error and stuff like that, encountering error, solving those. I'll try to record all of this on my YouTube as well. But yeah, this is what I am doing. So yeah, thank you. I think so. I am pretty much done. This is what I want to do. Thank you for being until here. This is what I'm, and the project I was saying about is when you click here, if you go here, you can see this is the project, Customer Purchase Analytics 2023. I've already created that, and I'll be guiding you like how I'm doing and stuff like that. So yeah, if you like this presentation, just go through the description. I'll put a link of this. You can go through it if you want to, the tools and stuff. And I'll also mention all of this in my description. Just go through it. Let me know. Comment anything if you feel, should add on here, like Kafka or stuff. I don't want to get messy, so I'm not going into the Kafka and Kubernetes and all. But yeah, that is also a good things to learn. And you can connect to me on LinkedIn whenever you want. You just have to search Amod Cutling. You'll find me on LinkedIn. You can connect to me freely. Thank you. And I'll answer all your questions over there as well. That's it. See you.